RankMath SEO tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use RankMath SEO to rank your website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So let's say you have an amazing website, but whenever you search for it on the internet, it does not pop up in the top 3 or top 5 searches. So with the help of RankMath SEO, we can fix that and we will get your website optimized so that it appears in the front page, or better yet, maybe even in the top 5 searches. So let's get into it. Now, RankMath is a free plugin to use. It is a plugin that you install into your WordPress website, as you can see right here in this image. But there is a pricing plan, which we will get into at the end of the video. So for now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get into it. Now, I have my WordPress website right here. I'm going to go into the dashboard and I'm going to show you how you can add it. So there are a couple of ways to do that. Either you go into the plugin store and you just simply search for the plugin store over there, right? Or you just simply download the plugin from their website. So if you click on download and we download the plugin right here, as you can see, this is the free version. And once we have figured it out, once we've downloaded the plugin, what we can do is we can go ahead and upload it into the plugin store, or what we can do is go into the plugin store within WordPress and search for it over here. So if you search for it, it'll pop up right here, and when you can install it over here, or we've downloaded the plugin, we can just simply click on the upload button. As you can see, it's downloaded. We just simply go ahead and choose file, and then we just select the file right here and we can upload it from there. So if we click on that, if we click on upload and selected that, click on install now, plugin will be installed like that. So those are the two ways that you can go ahead and install your plugin. So give it a couple of seconds for it to be installed. And then once it's installed, it'll notify you, and then you can go ahead and activate the plugin by just simply clicking on the activate button right there. And then it will take you over here onto this page where you can go ahead and create an account. Now you can skip this process or you can go ahead and go along with it. I recommend going along with it as it will help you in the later on. So we're just simply going to go ahead and connect the account. But to do that, we also have to create an account on this website right here. So let's go ahead and create the account. So all we have to do is click on my account, and here we can either go ahead and sign up with our email address and password, or we can continue with Google, Facebook, or WordPress.com. It depends on you. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and continue with Google. And once you've done that over here, you just simply select register for this site. Or what you can do is just simply click on connect your account button right here once you've installed the plugin. So if you do that, it'll ask you, and then you can just simply go ahead and click on OK, activate now. And once you're done, all you have to do now is finish setting up your plugin. So there are a couple of things that you have to do. So over here, as you can see, we have to import your site analytics, sitemap, optimization, and ready. So first things first, we have two options. So this is for websites where you only want to change the basic and let RankMath do most of the heavy lifting. For the advanced ones, this is for advanced users who want to control every SEO aspect of their website. So depends on you, whichever option you want. So it depends on you if you want the easy mode or the advanced mode. I recommend going with the advanced mode as it will give you more options and more control over the SEO options. So we're going to click on Start Wizard, and then we have the import option where it's going to go ahead and input data or import data from Yoast SEO and AI schema, rich snippets. So if you want, you can go ahead and continue with that. It'll import all the SEO settings that you currently have. Or if you want, you can skip and don't import now. We're going to skip this one. And then you have your website settings. So here you have your website. This is a type of website, website name, website alternative name, person or organization name, and logo for Google as well. And then you have other default social share image options. So make sure to fill out this form. So for now, for me, House of Burgers is a personal website, community, or other businesses. I'm going to select other business. And here I'm going to select fast food restaurant. So I'm going to select that. Website name is good. Website alternative name, you can add whatever you want over here. So since House of Burgers or Burger House, I'm going to do that. And then person/organization name, I'm going to leave it at that. And then you have your logo for Google. This will appear as the small logo whenever your website is searched. Here you can upload your logo. So for now, we've already done that. And we're going to go ahead and click on save and continue. Next, it will ask you to connect your Google services account. So here you can go ahead and connect your Google account, or if you want, you can do this later and skip. So for now, we're going to skip this and do this later. We're going to skip that step. Then you have sitemaps. Here, you don't want to make any drastic changes. You just let it as it is, leave it as it is, and then just simply click on save and continue. And we'll finally arrive over here onto the optimization step where the SEO tweaks. And again, you don't want to mess up anything or do any other changes. Leave it as it is, and then just simply click on save and continue. Give it a couple of seconds to load up, and you are done. Your site is ready, and you can go ahead and enable auto update for the plugin to, go ahead and auto update it. But now your Rank SEO plugin is ready, and it's ready to do its thing, and it's ready to go ahead and start optimizing your website. Now, before we go ahead and start optimizing our website, let's go ahead and rank it. Let RankMath see how much we score on the optimization score over here. So let's go ahead and return to dashboard. And then over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see RankMath SEO. What we want to do is want to click on SEO Analyzer. And over here, just simply click on Start SEO Analyzer. Give it a couple of seconds to analyze your website, and it will give you the results. So as you can see, our results is 59 out of 100. It's not bad, but it's not great either. So let's go ahead and fix that. So here you will see all of your posts. So here you can see the common keywords, elite line, all of that's okay. SEO description is pretty simple, short, and H1 heading. It's not too many H1 tags found on your homepage, so we're going to have to fix that. H2 headings, it's good. 1 or 2 tags were found on your homepage, which is good. And then we have image alt attributes. Some of the images of your home page have no alt attributes. So these are all the images that we don't have any attributes. Then we have keywords in title. No common keywords were found, link ratio. So you can see some of the stuff that needs to be fixed, and it shows us how to fix those stuff as well. So let's go ahead and fix some of these stuff out, and maybe we can increase our SEO score at 70 or maybe even 80. But before we go ahead and get started with the RankMath SEO suggestion, let's go ahead and do some other basic stuff that can help us, rank a little bit higher. So for that, what you need to do is go into settings, go into general. And here, what you need to do is you need to add a tagline for your website. So over here, in a few words, explain what your site is about. So add a tagline over here. Next, what you can do is scroll down. And so once you've added the tagline, what you need to do is next go ahead and go into permalinks and fix those. So come over here underneath settings, you will find permalinks. Click on permalinks, open it up. And here you have to change your permalink settings over here from common to post name. So we've already done that. We're good to go. We're going to click on Save Changes. So now that we've done that, we are good to go ahead and start optimizing our website using Rank SEO. Now, there are a couple of ways to do that. The first way is to do on-page SEO. With this, you will have to go into individual pages and do optimizations with them regarding their site titles, their content, and their description as well. So keep that in mind. So you have to go into individual pages and do SEO. That is the on-page SEO option. The other is off-page SEO, where you go ahead and build your website's reputation using outside factors like social media and word of mouth. It improves your website's trustworthiness. But for this one, we're going to use the on-page SEO, and we're going to go ahead and fix some of the SEO problems with our website using the on-page SEO method. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to fix our homepage. So first, I'm going to go ahead and edit my homepage. So if you are using Elementor, you will have the option of edit with Elementor. So just simply click on it, and it's going to open up the Elementor editor. Now, when you first do click on the edit with Elementor option, you will see you have a new tab called SEO. So what you need to do is click on SEO, and over here you will see we have an SEO score of 20. So this homepage gets a 20 score, which is not great. Our ideal score should be at least 80, which is the great one. So over here, how do we improve it? So to improve it, you can see we have some basic SEO options right here. So we have to add focus keyword to your SEO meta description and use focus keywords at the beginning of your content. So we have to do all of them. So let's go ahead and add a focus keyword. Now, you don't need to just go ahead and use any keyword that pops into your mind. What you need to do is you need to go over to a keyword management tool and find the best keyword for you. So you can use something like Google Trends or maybe even SEMrush, and over here, just type in your keyword that you want to search for, and it will show you some good results. Now, what you need to do is you need to find a keyword that is low in competition, as you can see, low in difficulty, but also very high in search volume. So as you can see, this keyword that we've chosen right here, it has a pretty high volume of searches and a pretty decent low difficulty. So it's not the most ideal, but it is possible, as it says. We should find something that's in the green side. So maybe instead of that, we could just search for best burgers. So again, pretty cool. but the difficulty is pretty high. So this one actually is pretty cool. It has almost 3,000 searches, but very easy over here. So what we can do is we can use this as well. But for now, I think I'm going to use this one that we already selected. It is possible. So go back to your homepage and here just add in your focus keyword and hit enter. And there we go. We have now added a focus keyword. Now we can move on to the next options or next, error. So next we can see over here, focus keyword does not appear in the SEO title. So we need to fix that. This is the focus keyword. It does not appear in the SEO. This is the snippet. So what we'll do is we'll click on edit snippet. And this is how our homepage would look like when we search for it. So what we need to do is we need to add the title over here. We need to add the title right here. I think that looks good. And make sure you add more stuff to it so that it, looks proper. It actually looks like a proper website description. So you also have to edit some description as well. So we'll get to that as well. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and fix this up. So there we go. We have now added our focus keyword within the title, and we've also added it within our description as well. So now we can just simply close it, and we have the green ticks over here and here and here as well. So it says right here that, focus keyword doesn't appear at the beginning of your content, and focus keyword doesn't appear in the content itself. So we'll go ahead and fix that as well. And you will also see that our score is increasing as well. And that is how we can go ahead and fix it. So let's go ahead and do that. So it says right here, it isn't found in your content. So let's go ahead and fix this. So we're going to go ahead and edit our text right here. So there we go. So now change the description. And as you can see, everything is now green and our score is almost there. We're nearly there. So to do that, all I had to do was just select the section that I wanted to, edit the description, added that, and we are good to go. Now we can go ahead and move on. So we also have some additional errors. So as you can see, add an image with your focus keyword as an alternative text. Keyword density is 0.27, which is low. The focus keyword, that combination appears one time. And we need to add internal links to our content. So once we finish this up, our score will be 100%. And whenever someone searches for our keyword, our website will pop up. So next, let's go ahead and see how we can add the focus keyword as an alternative. So to do that, we just select the image that we want, right? This is the image. So what we'll do now is find an image, right? So let me just do that. So we just simply select the image. So this is an image right here. What we'll do is we'll click on edit, right? Click on edit, it'll open up right here. And then you just add your focus keyword in the alternative text right here. And then just simply click on update and you should be good to go. After that, if we go to SEO, we can see that it is now fixed. And now all that's left for us to do is to add internal links. And for that, what we can do is just simply select any text that you want. So right here, as you can see, for example, this text right here, fertilization, or well, this is just an example, but over here, what would be ideal is you add an internal links to your store, right? Or your other website, or maybe even, let's say you have a direction or a Google Maps type of thing, right? And then you copy the link of your Google Maps link over here. So what you'll do is just simply copy the link of any other website. So let me just go ahead and find it, right? Go to Maps and we'll just add a burger place right here. So we'll just pick any burger we want. Let's say this one right here, right? And let's say we open up the website. We can just simply go ahead and click on directions, right? We just simply copy the link of it, go back here and just simply highlight the text that we want. Let's say service. And here we'll click on this link button and then just paste the link and click on apply. Now we have a link within the text. And now all that's left for us to do is just simply go ahead and click on update. And I believe it's updated as well. So now if we click on SEO, we can see that we also have added that as well. So we have used the focus word over here. So as you can see, gradually, as we keep doing this, our score is going to increase and we will go ahead and move on to the next one. So internal links, they couldn't find any internal links. So I think it's not saved as of yet. So let me just go ahead and save it or update it. But once it's done, we should be good to go. Next, the most important thing to do is to rank or optimize your blog post or any other post within your website. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll just simply exit to WordPress. I believe we have saved the changes as well. So let's go ahead and publish it just in case. And then exit to WordPress, go back to the dashboard, and then go into posts right here, all posts. And here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on edit post, whatever post that you have. Currently, I don't have any posts. So I'll just simply click on edit. And when you find the post, you will find that you have your score right here. This is the RankMath score. What you want to do is click on it and you will find all of these options right here. And just exactly as we did with our homepage, what you want to do is just fix all of these up. So we have to add the focus keyword, as our SEO meta description, use the focus keyword in the URL and all of that. So we need to fix all of that, and then our score will be ranked higher. And that is basically how we do SEO using RankMath SEO. So there are a bunch of other things as well, but the video is getting pretty long. So we're going to end this right here. There are other ways to do this. So you just simply have to go ahead and find those options as well. Go into different posts, go into different pages, and do the exact same thing that I just showed you to do on your homepage, and your website will be ranked and your SEO score will be increased as well. So let's go ahead and discuss how much it would cost for RankMath. So there are two pricing plans. If you are just going to use the plugin, this is the pricing plan available for RankMath SEO. So as you can see, it starts off with $6.99, which is the pro version. Then we have $20.99, which is the business. And then we have agency, which is going to be $49.99. And in it, you can see some of the options that are available. So you get unlimited personal websites in the pro plan. You get to track 500 keywords and you get a powerful schema generator as well. And then you have business one is going to cost you $20.99. And in it, you get 100 client website and you get to track 10,000 keywords. Again, powerful schema and a free content AI trial. So in the previous one, you only get 5,000 credits. In this one, you get 12,000 credits. And then we have the agency, which is going to be $49.99. And it's going to support 500 client websites, track 50,000 keywords, get powerful schema generator, and 30,000 credits within the free AI generator tool. So keep that in mind. So this is how much MathRank costs. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this amazing plugin, and will you be using it or not? So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.